home from the runoff, and while they were a bit of a handful, their first port of call when they got home, guess where? Their swimming pool. They'll be off for a trot in a minute. That's what I call it. It amazes me, we're bringing these guys home. They were a real handful, and car coming in the opposite direction. Go! Car coming in the opposite direction. Felt along a fair pace. Looked like they were scared for their life, had their mask on, and yet we're doing bloody 100 kilometres an hour. And I had to almost stand out in front of them to slow them up. I think getting a horse across your bonnet through your windscreen take you out quicker than their bloody virus. Unbelievable, some people. I just had my hands full today. Couldn't take any film, so at least we got a bit of delight out of the end of that. Now they're going to get and have a feed. I'll catch everybody later, and stay safe, stay healthy, try and get wealthy. Bit hard to do these days. All the best. Bye.